this is Madison. I love you. And God makes this fruit. And this bakes Mommy and Daddy and Grandma. And this helps steers jump over the fence. And Ty jumps over, up, and scratches the walls. And the clock goes ding, ding, ding.
What are you talking about?
Talking about I'm talking about me.
You're talking about you?
I'm talking about bacon.
Bacon?
Yeah. When Ponce died, there is bacon on the stove cooking in a pot with a scrambled egg. And cheese on it.
I thought you were going to tell Mommy about cooked vegetables or vegetables.
And good vegetables.
Well, what are you going to tell Mommy? What is your message? What do you want to tell the world? Do you have a message?
God loves Jesus today. And he says, thank you, Madison. And he makes fruit for everybody. And he has on the boat. And pirates say, "R, R." And he finds treasure. And kids watch Cat in the Hat and Dinosaur movie on YouTube. Okay, I have one more message.
Okay, look at the camera when you talk.
When I go to bed, I want to pray and stay up.
Yeah, you're right.
And when I want to get some love from Mommy, I go downstairs when it's sunny outside and give Mommy some love.
Yeah.
And we eat bread and eat vegetables, like healthy things.
We don't eat bread.
Fishes, yuck. Well, not people that throw fish food on the ground. Then the fish eats it and catch it and eat it. And if we eat it, it will taste nasty. Yuck, yuck.
What kind of food do you eat out of the garden?
Tomatoes, peppers, and kitty cat.
You don't eat kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Else can grow from the garden.
Are you done? Do you have anything else to say?
Well, after the kitty cat, that's the end. The end. After the kitty cat. That's just it. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you.